Is the vitreous humor formed only once in life? Yes, the vitreous humor is generally formed only once in life. So it remains in the eye throughout life. Formation. The vitreous humor is formed only during fetal development and fills the eye's posterior cavity. It is initially a gel-like substance that fills the eye's interior. Liquefaction. Around the ages of 9 or 10, the vitreous gel starts to liquefy. This means it starts to lose its gel-like consistency and becomes more liquid. And this process continues throughout life. No regeneration. The vitreous gel itself cannot regenerate, meaning once it's gone, it's not replaced. And that concludes our detailed journey through the 3 chambers of the eye. Thank you for your attention. And I hope this session has added a clear vision to your knowledge.